To my channel. Today I have this wonderful violet makeup for you. Yeah, it's like violets, a little bit of pink was my transitioning color, and the rest is like violet. It's really I think it's like for a date night or something. It's really much color. I really love colors, that's why I went with this makeup look, and with the hair I love the outcome. Yes, and I use Juvia's Face, some older palettes from them, but they're still selling them, so no worry. And yeah, that's it. That's the look. So if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down there. And yeah, let's start with this makeup look. I really like it. I love the outcome. I like this makeup. It's so nice. Like, wow. Yeah, see you in my next one, guys. Sorry. Bye. Hey, I'm back again. First things first, I'm using this Pixie Glow Tonic Water. I always use that to clean my face from residue or anything. Now I'm taking my Dermalogica Moisture. This one is for a dry skin. No, if you have oily skin, because it's matte. It's a matte moisturizer. Now I'm taking my Makeup Revolution concealer in the color C0 as my base. I'm taking the Zulu palette, and first color that I'm taking is this pink color, and I'm blending it above my crease, as you can see. Now I'm taking this purple color, and I'm always start at the outer V of my eye and then drag it in, as you can see. Now I'm taking this one, yeah, Impress. It's also by Juvia's Place. I have this color for so long now. I'm gonna go back into my concealer and cut my crease, as always, cutting creases. Now I'm taking this color. It's some galactic color. It's from the makeup, I forgot the brand. Sorry, I just forgot the brand. So I went back into this dark purple, and I'm blending the colors together like this. Now I'm taking my liquid ink eyeliner. This one is from Essence, my favorite eyeliner ever. And also this one is from Essence, the mascara. It's a cheap mascara, but it's a good one. So I'm taking this small Smudgebox primer, one of the best primers. I only have the small size because it's so expensive. So now I'm taking the Fit Me foundation and blending it in with my brush. This brush is from LOV, the makeup brand LOV. Now I'm taking my Tarte concealer and conceal or highlight. The points are always highlight, as you can see, and I'm blending them out with a Zoefa brush. I don't know the number. Now I'm taking this foundation stick. This one is from Revolution Makeup or Makeup Revolution. I always mix up this name, like, I'm always mixing it up. But as you can see, I'm blending it in with my brush. The first one was a cheap one. The second one is from Real Technique. Now I'm using my setting powder. This one is from Huda Beauty. It smells so good in cinnamon bud. Now I'm using the blush to fix the contour. And this step, I always do this step to give my face a V shape. As you can see, now I'm taking off the powder, excess powder. Oh my god, this video is too speedy. Oh my god, I can't really talk, but you saw I just used some sleek rouge. Now I'm taking my favorite lip liner. This one is from NYX in the color Club Hopper, and some lip gloss. Now I'm going to go back into the mascara. I'm taking the mascara again for my bottom lashes. Like this. Now I'm taking the Artist Couture highlighter in the color Concited. One of my favorite highlighter. I love Artist Couture so much. I'm taking this instant setting spray from Rude. Thank you for watching. I had to speak so quick. Thanks for watching. See you in my next